Let's have a look what we did in this kitchen. It was just an L shape, but we added that big island for the bigger family so they can enjoy breakfast together. We did have a problem with the window sill. We would have to match it. For the clients it was very important to match the window sill. So look at the result. It's perfectly matching the window and it's like the customers want it. Customers ask us for more storage. We have more storage racks for convenience of pulling out stuff and extra single bin in here just for the convenience of cleaning. Have a look at that, guys. We got that double drawer for convenience of cooking. You can have the storage underneath it. Also down the bottom we got nice black drawers for nice finish of the kitchen. And here we have double bin, recycling at the back and normal bin at the front for convenience. Have a look on those drawers. The allegro box with the extra space on the height sides to convenience of the use. We have lots of storage in this island. It's all hidden away, but nice and convenient even for the plates. Have a look on that beautiful oven tower with 2 ovens, oven and a microwave, and beautiful rack for all the alcohols and oils to pull out. We also have hidden storage in here. They are push to open doors which can be used. We installed that beautiful island benchtop. Clients love the patterns in it, mimicking the ocean with all the grades and whites in it. The thickness of the island is 40 mm. It's bigger than in standard, but worth the price, 100%. Have a look on that main bathroom with matching stone, and for convenience of use and lots of storage we would use shape drawers cutting around the pipe work. Also, let's have a look on that ensuite. And here we got the matching color of the island with the same bench top and beautiful shaving cupboard above it. Drawers inside are white with same cutouts for the piping for maximal use of storage. Let's now have a look on the master bedroom. In here we got master wardrobe in beautiful natural oak color with lots of storage, black hanging rails and heaps of drawers for convenience of storing such things. Have a look on that little but mighty space in here with drawers underneath the sink and lots of storage above it. Plus have a look on that feature with nice beautiful metal racks for lots of storage and a big broom cupboard for convenience of storing your Dyson. We are so proud of this space. We work very closely with the customers and to match their needs and fulfill their dreams of perfect space to live. We fully use all the inches of the space to make sure that customers gonna have beautiful kitchen and home to live in.